transparency in private spaces is definitely better for women, that rather in terms of sexual harassment, rather than having a lot of closed spaces and a lot of a lot of areas which are opaque.
What would be an ideal workplace for women, keeping in mind their well being? Can you also list down a few of those companies that can be an example for those employers who are planning their work spaces, designs, and work culture environment safe for women?
Yeah, to be honest, I'll say that this is one area which hasn't come up specifically in all when we've looked at office spaces in terms of people have said that we are a very diverse and inclusive organization, but we have not really specified a particular design in terms of looking at women. I would say that, of course, having spaces, having open cabins or open transparency in private spaces is definitely better for women, that rather in terms of sexual harassment, rather than having a lot of closed spaces and a lot of a lot of areas which are opaque. That's definitely part of it. But otherwise, I would say that, it applies to women and to men, perhaps a little bit more to women because they need. But I think the need for flexibility is really, really important. As one woman who I'd interviewed said that there's no point being stressed out and then delivering the job. I mean, if I want to deliver the job without being stressed, it's not productive for me to be stressed out and deliver the job. So to have spaces where people can think quietly, they can take a break for 5 minutes, they can refresh themselves. To have those kind of more variety in work settings and more flexibility. Obviously, the bigger companies find that easier to do, but I think even smaller companies, like I'd mentioned Space Matrix, you can provide that sort of thinking. So the ability to be flexible. I think women multitask, but I don't think multitasking is particularly good. I don't think it's very easy to do, and I don't think it's good for the brain either. So I think the ability to have some place to recharge yourself, renew yourself, and to have policies that support flexible women working is the biggest thing that an organization can do for women.